Hello everyone. Welcome back to Live to Learn. Since it's 8th March today, Live to Learn wishes all the women around the world a very happy Women's Day. Live to Learn believes that we as women can accomplish whatever we put our minds to. We can be the best friend, the nurturer, the mentor, the provider, the warrior, and anything else that our circumstances might demand. Giving and caring has always been an integral part of our nature. And sometimes we get so busy being there for everyone and everything else that we forget to be there for ourselves. This Women's Day, Live to Learn brings women a special video about how we really need to be there for ourselves too, because we're definitely worth it. Out of the many health issues faced by women, we'll be highlighting some of the most common health issues, not only to spread awareness, but to remind everyone that women need your love and support just as much as you need theirs. Let's start with breast cancer, which is the most common cancer in women. About 500,000 women die due to breast cancer each year. Awareness and early detection can be a life-saving measure. Self-examination is a useful tool for early detection and can help save many lives. Polycystic ovarian syndrome is a hormonal condition that causes the growth of cysts in the ovaries. Up to 10% of all women of reproductive age have PCOS. It is important to pay attention to the signs such as irregular menstrual cycles and weight gain and get yourself screened. Menstrual hygiene is an important part for women's health, especially reproductive health. Poor menstrual hygiene is linked to various infections and reproductive illnesses such as bacterial and fungal infections and toxic shock syndrome. Menstruation is a sign of health, and it's time we speak up about menstrual issues and hygiene to promote better health for women. It might sound unimportant, but skincare has been overlooked by a lot of working women since they don't find the time to care for themselves. Skincare isn't just about looking pretty. It is an act of self-care and self-love and boosts one's self-esteem. Women are particularly at risk for developing osteoporosis because after menopause, women lose estrogen, which leads to the loss of protective effect on their bones. Patients often say that they feel like they're fine since they have no aches or pain. But the truth of the matter is that patients may have no symptoms whatsoever until the bones become so weak that they break even with minor injuries. Sometimes the vertebrae in the spine crumble with the weight of the body. Therefore, it is important to have a normal body weight and consume a diet rich in calcium and vitamin D. Me time is so underrated, but it is so very important. No matter how busy our schedule is, we women must take out time for ourselves and treat ourselves. We could go for a walk in the park, visit a spa, treat ourselves at the salon, or take a refreshing nap. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. It's always important to fill ourselves first. Last but not the least, women's mental health is really important and should not be overlooked. Women experience a wide range of mental health issues at different ages, such as depression, anxiety, eating disorders, postpartum depression or psychosis, and menopause-associated mental health problems. The differences in women's mental health, if taken seriously, can improve the quality of life of millions of women around the world. Destigmatizing women's mental health starts with us. By looking after ourselves and those we care about, we can help shape the future research, treatment decisions, and societal views when it comes to mental health issues. Live to Learn appreciates and supports women and celebrates their womanhood with them today. Here's to strong women. May we know them, may we be them, may we raise them.